x plus 8 whole square, they have done x square and 8 square only. That is wrong. So this is correct. X plus 8 whole square, x plus 8 whole square can be solved using a plus b whole square formula. You know that it is in the form of a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a value you substitute x, b value it is 8. If you substitute, this becomes x square 2 into a value it is x. So we are using bracket here into 8 plus b square. That means 8 square. So now x square 2 8s are 16 into x 16x 8 8s are 64. So that is this itself. So this is correct and this is wrong. Squaring of x plus 8 can be done using the identity a plus b whole square. Squaring of x plus 8 whole square, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. It is a square plus 2ab b square, not a square b square. This is only a square plus b square only. 2ab is missing here. In the first one, 2ab is missing. So first question here you have to find out the error and also you have to correct the error in the expression. So now here left hand side you see 4 should be multiplied to both x and 5, but here it is multiplied only to 4x, not to the 5. So this is wrong. Okay, so this is wrong here. So now correct method. So correction now. So you have to correct this. 4 into x minus 5 should be multiplied to both 4x minus 4 into 5. Okay, so that is 4x minus 20. So it should be multiplied to both which are inside the bracket, which are enclosed terms which are enclosed inside the bracket are x and 5. 4 should be multiplied to both x as well as 5. So if you multiply only to the x, then this is wrong. It will give you wrong answer. You see that it is also similar to the previous one only. What is the error here?
So x should be multiplied to both 3x and 2.
So here x should be multiplied to 3x also to the 2. So here it is multiplied only to this 3x but not to this 2. So this is wrong. Okay. So now correction here. What is the correct method here? So you have to correctly do this. X into 3x plus 2 means multiply this x to both 3x into x plus 2 into x. So 3x into x means 3x square, 2 into x means 2x. So this is the correct method. Error very important. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5xy. What is wrong in this statement? So these two are unlike terms. They are unlike. So unlike terms you cannot add. So this is wrong. Unlike terms cannot be added here. So 2x plus 3y. So only it is 2x plus 3y only. They are unlike terms. Unlike terms cannot be added. Added here. We can write plus a sign between them. So we cannot add means the coefficients cannot be added here. Addition of these unlike terms means just you write 2x plus 3y. That is itself is the sum. It is asking 2 chocolates and 3 biscuits. What is the sum? You cannot say 5 chocolates and biscuits. It is 2 chocolate, 3 biscuit. Totally they are separate. So therefore you cannot add these two. They are unlike terms. So it is added here. 3 plus 2 xy. It is totally wrong. It is multiplied. Coefficients see added here. These two coefficients added. Then multiplied this xy. So it is totally wrong. Since these two are unlike terms, you have to write as it is by putting the plus sign between them. So addition of coefficients is not possible. So then we'll go to the next one. So now we'll look at this. I did in the beginning itself. Left hand side is having x plus 2x plus 3x. The answer here right hand side 5x. What is wrong? What is the wrong thing here? Identify the error in this.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Yes, sir. See, we said nothing. We said x means we should consider it as 1.
The coefficient of x you should consider this as 1. So this one is not included here. So therefore the correction here, what is the correct form?
One must be included by
So 1 plus 2 plus 3 you should add. So then you will get answer 5x, not 5x, it is 6x. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6x. Okay, so the answer is 6x. This is wrong, not 5x. So now you tell me what is wrong here. 5y plus 2y plus y minus.
You also add.
Sir, one is not included. Why the coefficient one is not included?
Here this coefficient of y 1 is not included here. This number is missing there. So now if you take y common here, 5 plus 2. So if you take y common, plus 1 will remain minus 7 into 5.
Minus 7 y is equal to
So now this is 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 minus 7, 1y. The answer is 1y, not 0. So there is an error for not adding this 1. Coefficient of y is not included there. 1 is not included in the sum. Can you tell me what is the error in this?
Sir,
we should not
multiplied by
x.
This is wrong. Say while adding this like term.